Model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2TDCi 155PS 350 long wheelbase, C, cab rear-wheel drive DRW curtain side Luton box van. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 209,866. Engine, 2143 ccom 651 129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a misfire due to low compression. Engine will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.